Welcome back to day 4 or 5, maybe 6 of our bedroom makeover. This video has a little bit of everything over the last few days. First, I took down the curtains so I could finish priming this wall. A normal person would have probably removed everything before painting, but normal just isn't fun. I also used this wall patcher stuff to patch up the holes because I will eventually hang new curtains. Let me know where you like to shop for affordable curtains while you're here. I tried this paint roller hack of just covering it and sticking it in the fridge overnight so I didn't have to wash out my brushes, which is really helpful because I have to stop and start quite a lot due to all the kids living here and a baby that tries to crawl through the paint, so I have to wait until she's busy doing other things or napping. The older kids wanted to help, so I let them do a little bit of rolling while we watch the Olympic trials, which we have been really into. My husband and I love the Olympics, and we're hoping to get our kids hooked too. I got another coat of primer on the walls and finally completed edging this morning, although I'm sure I'll need to do some more before it's all said and done. Here's a rare cameo of Mr. Dr. Karen's helping me measure the walls for my board and batten planning. He keeps saying that he has no idea what I'm doing, but excited to be surprised by the results. He's pretty used to my random ideas by now. We got everything measured and I did some math, and then I marked the walls and added some painter's tape so I could really visualize what the wall will look like with the boards. I'm going for simple since this is my first time attempting something like this, and I'm sure it will need some adjustment, but we are ready for boards and a little trip to the hardware store, so make sure you follow along and I'll be back soon with more updates.